These last few hymns of the Dharma-Ages were written by Shinran near the end of his life at about age 85. The first few are entitled Hymns of Lament and Reflection. Although I take refuge in the Pure Land way, it is hard to have a true and sincere mind. This self is false and insincere. I completely lack a pure mind. Each of us, in outward bearing, makes a show of being wise, good, and dedicated. But so great are our greed, anger, perversity, and deceit, that we are filled with all forms of malice and cunning. Extremely difficult it is to put an end to our evil nature. The mind is like a venomous snake or scorpion. Our performance of good acts is also poisoned. Hence, it is called false and empty practice. Although I am without shame and self-reproach, and lack a mind of truth and sincerity, because the name is directed by Amida, its virtues fill the 10 quarters. Lacking even small love and small compassion, I cannot hope to benefit sentient beings. Were it not for the ship of Amida's vow, how could I cross the ocean of painful existence? With minds full of malice and cunning, like snakes or scorpions, we cannot accomplish good acts through self-power. And unless we entrust ourselves to Amida's directing of virtue, we will end without knowing shame or self-reproach. Karmic evil is from the beginning without real form. It is the result of delusional thought and invertedness. Mind nature is from the beginning pure. But as for this world, there is no person of truth. At age 88, Shinran wrote, "In other power, no working is true working." Amida's vow is, from the very beginning, designed to bring each of us to entrust ourselves to it, saying, "Namu Amida Butsu," and to receive us into the Pure Land. None of this is through our calculation. Thus there is no room for the practicer to be concerned about being good or bad. As the essential purport of the vow, Amida vowed to bring us all to become Supreme Buddha. Supreme Buddha is formless. In order to make it known that Supreme Buddha is formless, the name Amida Buddha is expressly used. It is a matter of inconceivable Buddha wisdom. And now his 2 concluding hymns. While persons ignorant of even the characters for quote good and quote evil all possess a sincere mind, I make a display of knowing the words good and evil. This is an expression of complete falsity. I am such that I do not know right and wrong, and cannot distinguish false and true. I lack even small love and small compassion, and yet, for fame and profit, enjoy teaching others. Namu Amida Butsu. Namu Amida Butsu. Namu Amida Butsu.